Hello everyone and welcome again to the Next Tech Mind. In the last video we have seen introduction about Python. Today we are going to see the installation process of Python ideally. Firstly, we have to open any web browser in our computer. Here we are going to use a Chrome browser. Then search the website www.python.org. Then click on the first website, which is our official website www.python.org. After opening the website, click on Downloads. After that, go to the Downloads option, then click on Download Python 3.12.0, which is our latest version of Python. After clicking that, this much file will be visible. Among these files, click the file according to your system configuration. Here I am using Windows Installer 64 bits. After clicking the download, please check whether it has been downloaded or not. It may take some time to download the file. After downloading file, open the file manager. In the downloads, double-click on a Python installer package. Check the checkbox if you want to set the Python path as a default and grant admin privileges during the installation. Click on Install Now option. Then check the Setup dialog box for a successful setup. After completing the setup, click on Close option. Now our installation process is completed. If you want to check whether our setup is installed or not, click on a window button, then search CMD in search box. Command prompt will open. In command prompt, type Python. If Python is installed, then it will show the downloaded version of it. Let's open the Python ideally. In the search box, search Python, then click on ideally. Our Python ideally will open. We can start writing program from here. In this video, we have seen how to install Python ideally. If you have any queries, then do comment in the comment box. In the next video, we will see the simple program code in Python. Till then, stay connected with us. If you like this video, then do like, share, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for the further notification of our Python series. Thank you so much.